Okay guys, here's an install video of the safety switch. Really quick, hold on. Really quick, I just want to show you the direction of the cam collar so you guys can see how it's mounted. That's not exactly where it goes because we haven't fitted the switch yet, but that's the direction that it goes in. Okay. So now we're going to use the supplied 632 by 3/8, I believe they are. Whatever, but they're supplied in there. You're going to run all 3 bolts in, get them tightened up. You're going to want to use a little bit of Loctite on those as well so that thing doesn't come off. And you'll flip it over. And then this is the key part to the switch. When you guys go to set the cam lock or the cam collar, you want to make sure that you're engaging this arm to the cam, and then you'll rotate that accordingly. So when when you let the legs down, actually I'm not sure which direction it's going. Go ahead. So that's in the down position there. So the arm will be that way, and then when it's in the up position, the arm's going to be that way. So you want to make sure you hear the click in the switch to make sure that the cam is placed correctly. And then once the cam is placed correctly, you're going to want to tighten up those 2 bolts, and then just make sure that it's as close as possible to this side of the center stand, but obviously even a little air gap so it doesn't rub in there. But because the cam slides between the side of this side of the center stand and the transmission oil pan, and there's hardly any gap there, so we don't want the cam to crash into the oil pan as it rotates around. So that's basically what you want right there. Listen for the click. If it's clicking on and off, then you're good to go.